Yo, what up everyone? It's your boy Altered Tech, aka that OnePlus guy. Now in today's video, we gotta talk about the pop-up event in New York City. I just came back from it and boy, today was a crazy day. I reached at 7:20 and then after an hour, still no one else shows up. I'm the only person waiting for this device and I'm just questioning myself because number one, I forgot my OnePlus wireless bullet headphones. I was planning on binging on Narcos for the season 3. So time goes by, people. I'm just kind of like meditating, kind of just experience life in New York. Sometimes you just go in New York City, everything's just fast paced, you're traveling, whatnot. I did this for like 8 hours, people. I want to play Call of Duty, but my hands are freaking frozen solid. And to make things worse, there's 3 pigeons up in the building and they chose to just chill out on top of my head. And they're landing poop like every half hour. You just plop. So it hits the ground, you're like, oh crap. So for me, I'm like, thank God I didn't get hit. But then I looked at my camera bag and I got hit with poop. And I've heard some people say that, that's good luck. So was it good luck? Well, the story continues. All right, people. So it's 3 p.m. It's showtime. So they're taking me upstairs. I go upstairs and they stamp my hand. They actually have the word love on it. And for other people, they got a different stamp. So we go up to the 3rd floor. We go inside and there's a big table filled with OnePlus 7T phones. So as soon as I walk in, they're like, who's the first person online? I'm like, oh crap. Yeah, mind you guys, my legs are stiff. The Adidas shoes I was wearing, the memory foam, it's flat. It feels like I was barefoot the entire time. A bunch of OnePlus staff and there's like a whole bunch of females and I'm like, holy crap. I did not prepare for this. I didn't think I was going to be the first one. Otherwise, I would have had a haircut and I probably would have, dressed a little bit better. So anyways, we go inside. So then they bring me to this table. And in this table, there's a couple boxes. And then they said, hey, pick one. You can either choose the blue or the silver. You've won a free OnePlus 7T. And I'm like, I'm still frozen. It's kind of hard to believe it, man. It's like, are you guys for real, man? Is this for real? I mean, did I pass out in the sidewalk and this is just a dream? I'm not exactly sure, man, because number one, I've never seen so many females so close to me in my entire life. Number two, it was like a dream. You open the door and then, in the 2nd floor, there's a magic bookshelf. You open it and there's a slide that takes you down to the OnePlus store. I can't make this stuff up, people. I was just in shock. And then on top of that, shout out to the OnePlus staff. They're very, very friendly people. Thank you for your hospitality. I mean, we had Brady, the camera guy. He actually got me some coffee. I mean, he couldn't find any cups. He actually gave me coffee from his own mug. And that just, kind of gave me some life. And then we have, all the rest of the OnePlus staff, they were very nice. I got to have some good small talk with quite a few of them. So shout out to them. And at the end of the day, was it worth it? Heck yeah. So this is all the footage I was able to pick up. I hope you guys enjoy it. And this is Altered Tech signing out. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Expect to see some OnePlus 7T videos soon. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Alright, so we're at the OnePlus store in New York City. It's a OnePlus store, right?
Yeah, so their new space in Showfield.
Oh yeah, Showfields? What do you guys think about it?
It's awesome.
Man, so much better than I even expected. This is great.
What did you guys pick up?
I got the blue one.
You got the blue one? What did you get?
I had to go with silver. I had to go silver.
Yeah, me too.
OnePlus 7.
Oh man, look how gorgeous that is, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
Right now I'm rocking the OnePlus 16 and I'm ready for 17.
Oh, you got the 6T right now?
16 right here.
Nice. So you might actually come back here, man. This place looks pretty cool. Yo, did you guys come down through the slides? There's a slide that actually takes you down here. You guys take it?
There was a slide.
Yeah, we had to take a slide.
I've seen them slide.
Wait, there's a slide?
Yeah,
it's
in the other room. Yeah.
Oh, it's in the other room.
Yeah. All right, so here we have the OnePlus 7. Was it like a gift bag? Here we have the OnePlus 7T. What are these? These are notebooks. So OnePlus actually gave us these notebooks. I think it actually got 2. Now they're black and red. I'm just gonna go ahead and open one of these up real quick. Holy crap, what's this? It's like a Bible? I think it's a notebook.
Little tiny notebook.
Alright, that's pretty cool. I actually needed one of these. It's like a little memo book.
It's gonna be helpful.
Heck yeah. And is this leather? Premium quality, pretty cool. And what else do we get inside here? Imagine, oh. And we have another memo book. So your next story begins here, and pretty cool stuff. If you guys want to take some notes and whatnot, or maybe like do like a journal or a diary, this seems pretty cool. Are we supposed to get 2 of them? Maybe they had some extras, probably.
Because there was one in the bag already.
It was already in the swag bag.
Uh-huh.
All right, so the phone's gonna have to be here. All right, so in the bag we do have the OnePlus 7T 90 Hz display, smooth like never before. We have some customer service numbers. So United States, if you guys have any issues, 24 hours, Monday to Sunday, you have this phone number to contact them. And giveaways are not covered by a standard warranty, so I got to pay for mine, it's no big deal. And here is the OnePlus 7T. It's a pretty tall box. All right, let's go ahead and open this up.
Let's see what we got in there.
I mean, I need a little.
Get a better angle. You want me to hold?
Yeah, you do that. Got it? All right, cool. All right, so this is the unboxing. Let's see what we got. OnePlus. So we do have the invitation letter, and we have some technical paperwork. And here we have the OnePlus 7T. So this is the OnePlus 7T Silver Edition. Check that out. So you got your camera hump. And does it come with a screen protector? It actually does come with a screen protector on it, so you should be fine. And let's just power it on real quick. Does it have any juice? Alright, it does have some juice. And what else do we get? Oh, nice. We have a nice clear case. So let's go ahead, pop this in real quick. So this is it with the case. Just want to check out the back. Now, as for the case, you have this micro dots in the back of the case, so there's no bubbling effect, or it doesn't really stick to the phone. So that's pretty nice. It does look pretty good. You guys, check that out. So until you have time to go ahead and buy a proper case, this should be fine for you guys. So we do have a SIM card eject tool. We do have a charging cable, and this is going to be your power supply unit. It's about, let's see, 2 amps, 6 amps of power for Warp Charge 30. So you do get Warp Charge 30. And that's pretty much it. That's the entire boxing of the OnePlus 7T. Alright, that's about it.
Hey guys, this is it. You gotta love the OnePlus 7T. It's amazing. It's got everything you're looking for in a smartphone.
It was like a really nice experience to buy the phone at the pop-up store. It's a really good phone. It looks really good.
And what's your favorite part of the phone?
Probably the display. Yeah, I really like the tall display.
Alright, so there you have it. That's the OnePlus 7T unboxing. Hope you guys take care. Peace.